Oo, hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede yun. Kasi kung hindi tanggap ng local government, maliwanag, may problema yan. If the local government hindi masaya kung magkaroon ng slope protection, hindi na masasara yung kalsada. Masaya kami pag mayroong flood protection, hindi na babaha. Di siyempre tatanggapin kagad kung maganda. Pero kung hindi maganda, sila rin ang magsasabi. Dahil silang nakakaalam. Sasabihin, yung dinagay ninyong riprap, masyado mababa. Dahil yung baha rito, umaabot dito, hanggang dito lang yung pader ninyo. All of those things. So those are the things that we have to correct. But over the years, these abuses only came about kasi pinapalitan ang sistema. And dinadaya lang talaga. No consultation with the local government, no acceptance from the local government. All of that. Kaya mabigat ang gagampanan na role ng ating local government dito sa ating mga ginagawa para maayos na. Marami. Well, si Mayor Benji has been very vocal about the problems that we have. That's why napunta ako dito. And the comments and the sumbong that have been arriving at our website has been very, very useful. Kaya ipagpatuloy sana ninyo ang inyong pagsumbong. And I'm not just talking to local government officials, kahit sino. Basta't may alam kayo, sabihin ninyo sa amin, pa-inspeksyon natin. Kung may problema, ayusin natin ang problema. Here's the problem here. This is 260 million project. Useless. Parang tinapon mo yung pera sa ilog. Useless. To correct this will cost double that. That's my top of the head estimate. 500 million ito para ayusin.
Thank you, sir.
At least. Kasi hindi lang itong nakikita ninyo rito kundi hanggang dun sa loob Hanggang dun sa ilalim nitong tunnel So there's a lot of work that needs to be done. So how can you tell me that it's not economic sabotage? Kinuha mo yung 260 million, wala kaming nakitang effect dun sa kanyang ginawa na kontrata. Tapos para ayusin yung binigay ninyong problema sa amin, it will cost another 260 million, probably double 260 million, hanggang 500 million na yan. Kaya I don't blame anyone for being disappointed, frustrated, angry, and paying for blood. Okay, thank you.